The automotive industry moves fast, and they also demand a lot out of their equipment. That's a challenge that Beckwood has never shied away from. From stamping structural members to forming lightweight components, Beckwood's equipment is built tough and built to last in a very demanding automotive environment.
In the automotive industry, whether it's EVs or internal combustion engines, it comes down to reliability and support. Uptime is key, the equipment that performs is key, and downtime is just simply not an option. Here at Beckwood, we are leading that charge with our Servo-Electric technology, which provides the ultimate precision and the ultimate uptime for the customer.
Beckwood's machines are used in a variety of ways in the automotive industry. From stamping structural members to forming composite lightweight components to assembly applications, you can find a use for a Beckwood press anywhere on your factory floor. As the automotive industry evolves, so does Beckwood. In addition to Beckwood's traditional custom high-tonnage hydraulic stamping machines, Beckwood is the industry leader in servo-electric solutions.
So here at Beckwood, we have a great deal of experience in the automotive industry. This could be anything from brake pads with a powder compaction press. It could be anything for large stamping for tractor trailers. It could be tank heads, or even electric vehicle batteries. There's a wide host of products that we offer here at Beckwood that'd be a great fit for a lot of applications in the industry. We have a fully staffed team here at Beckwood with technicians that continuously travel the globe to keep our machines up and running for our customers.
Beckwood's servo-electric technology has really taken the guesswork out of press work. With very precise position and force accuracy, Beckwood's servo-electric solutions perform better than any other machine out on the market.
For those presses that aren't in an automated cell, safety is also key. We have a number of different solutions here at Beckwood where we put safety first. Everything that we design and build here is really catered to what the customer is looking for, whether it's light curtains, hard guards, redundant load holding, or satimas. There's a number of different safety options that we provide to ensure that our customers and their employees remain safe and our operation is low risk.
Automotive manufacturers face various challenges day in and day out. Regardless of what your challenge is, we're ready to solve it.